Well, good Friday morning to you. We've been talking about the cold weather that was on the way pretty much all week long, and it is here. Overnight tonight, the Arctic air mass started to make its way in. Already seeing that here in the temperature readings, and it's reflecting. Got 9 in Lyman, 6 in Burlington along I-70, 15 in Lamar, and along the interstate into the teens. You factor in a little bit of some wind. Take a look at the wind speeds outside right now. And we're going to feel much cooler on the wind chill values. Notice all these wind directions coming in from the east up to 16, 20 miles an hour at some points. With that being said, this is what the wind chills look like right now as you're heading out the door. -2 here in Colorado Springs, 0 in Pueblo, off to the plains. Much colder, -12 in Burlington. So that's that Arctic air starting to infiltrate into the mix here. And we're already starting to see some preliminary snow showers from this starting to come down. Very light flurries into the Pikes Peak region, also getting some of those light flurries into the Wet Mountains area. Seeing this on the satellite and radar, just a lot of cloud cover starting to stream in throughout the daytime today. I'm going to zoom this out to the national scene to show you that we do got some active weather. It's finally here. It's on the way. This is the storm that we've been watching. We got this digging trough here that's going to make its way around, bring us that snow, and also this low to the southwest, which is drawing in a little bit more moisture to go with it. So here's how this looks in terms of an overarching view. I like going to the pattern evolution just to show you what is going on in the upper atmosphere because it translates to the ground really nicely. So notice here Friday throughout the day, the trough here off to our west starts to come closer and closer to us. We start to get this low coming off the coast of California coming closer to us as well. As we get to Saturday, this is when this trough wraps around, gives us the most amount of lift. That's that wave coming through. So with that being said, the most efficient snowmaking for us here in the lower elevations is going to be early Saturday, throughout the day on Saturday, before tapering off as we go into Sunday. And you'll see that here as we get to Sunday. Behind it, we just have this northwesterly flow, and then the attention shifts to the eastern part of the United States. So with all that being said, winter weather advisory in place from 11 a.m. Friday through Sunday a.m. for a lot of the higher terrain and along I-70, and a winter storm warning for the San Juans for a little bit more concerning travel conditions and more snowfall that's expected in those areas. So here's what this looks like. Throughout the morning time, we will see some snow showers here into the lower elevations, especially with the easterly wind component. But much of the snow today is going to fall into the higher terrain and south of I-70. We'll see that continue, and that'll be consistent throughout much of the weekend. Just a little bit more lift in the mountains for that to occur. But then, as I said, as that trough starts to wrap around early Saturday morning, that's when we'll get the most of it here into the Pikes Peak region, along the interstate, into the plains. You'll notice that this continues throughout Saturday before generally starting to taper off as we start to go into Sunday. By the time we get to Sunday morning, we could see some lingering snow showers and flurries, but for the most part, we start to get that out of here. It'll continue into the higher terrain along I-70. But as of right now, this is our thinking in terms of the snow totals. We're looking like less as you go off to the plains, 1 to 2 inches, favoring more of the higher terrain communities of the Wet Mountains, the Sangre de Cristos, and then into the higher terrain into the ski towns. Get a good dose of some snow as well. This is an accumulation of Friday and into Saturday. And that's what it's looking like. So of course, snow, that is something that comes with it, but it's the cold air that's the bigger story that we've been watching. If you'll notice here, we're going to be into the negatives or the single digits throughout much of this weekend, so it makes being outside very uncomfortable. If you are going to step outside, make sure you take all the precautions in terms of bundling up in a necessary way. Notice here by Sunday morning, you could see some negative single digits into the plains, negative teens as you go into the higher country. With all that being said, cold weather advisory in place for the plains, where it's going to hang out pretty much all weekend long, Friday through Sunday. And an overarching view, teens for the next 2 days in terms of high temperatures. Will be very cold, but by Sunday we start to rebound into the 20s. As of right now, it's 13 degrees on the Phil Long Ford Motor City camera. Seeing some light flurries out there on that camera. And here's a look at Monument, 13 degrees as well. Behind this very cold weekend, we do get some better weather into the forecast. Notice Pueblo, Canyon City, and Woodland Park seeing a lot of sunshine next week, some above normal temperatures to go with it. Colorado Springs, it's the same thing, just tweak the numbers just a tad. So a cold weekend, getting out of here on Sunday, cold overnight lows as we approach Monday, and then